connected world, it's crucial to protect your digital footprint.
Protecting your privacy online is essential because it safeguards your personal information from falling into the wrong hands. It also ensures that you have a control over your data use and prevent exploitation by malicious entities. Ignoring online privacy can lead to identity theft, financial loss, and even emotional harm, right? Additionally, unchecked data collection can erode personal freedoms and can lead to surveillance practices. Start by using strong, unique password for each of online accounts and enable two-factor authentication whenever possible. Adjust your privacy settings on social media platforms and other online services to limit the amount of personal information you share. Keep your device updated with the latest security patches and install reputable antivirus software to protect against malware and other threats. Encrypt your internet connection with a virtual private network or VPN to prevent unauthorized access to your online activities. Stay informed about emerging privacy issues and educate others about the importance of protecting their online privacy, right?
Yeah. Encourage responsible online behavior among your friends and family, such as avoiding oversharing and being cautious of suspicious links and emails. Right?
Yes, you're correct.
By taking proactive steps to connect your privacy online, you can safeguard your personal information and enjoy a safer digital experience.
Let's guard our digital footprints and protect our privacy.